welcome back to the Almaari. I'm Laila.
I'm Alizeh.
And we're back with our favorites for 2018.
January favorites.
January favorites. It's been a minute since we've done our favorites, but we're back. Anyways, let's get into the video because we have a lot of favorites we gotta catch you guys up on.
I'll start out with fashion favorites. My first fashion favorite are the Air Max 97s. Yes, I know, hype. I finally got my hands on them through the Go app. I really like them. They're really comfortable. A lot of people tell me they look like grandma shoes, but you know what?
Who said that?
I know. I really like to style them with just sweatpants, or I wore them out to like a fancy dinner with like a fancy outfit with just the sneakers topped with it. Super cool. I was not in pain, and because I wasn't wearing heels. And yeah, and then my second fashion favorite are these like older thrifted pants, but I finally just got the heart to cut them. So I literally just like chopped off the stitch because that was what was ruining the look of the pants, and now we wear them both. You've been wearing them often.
My fashion favorites are also a pair of shoes. I always stick to like Adidas, Nike, so I thought I'd switch it up a bit, and I bought these Reeboks. They're white, and we have way too many white shoes.
Yeah,
I think like we're done with white shoes for a little bit, but they're just the plain simple Reebok silhouette. And I love it because I like the gum bottom. It gives it like a different touch, and it has like a little bit of platform. So it gives me a little bit of height.
They're classic.
They're definitely a classic Reebok, which is very 90s, I feel. And of course the 90s are coming back, or have been back, and they're staying for a while. So yeah, I love that. And my second pair is this jacket that I thrifted. It's a London fog jacket. And I got it at the Goodwill for like 20 bucks. And I know it's not cold in California at all, but traveling, you need a trench coat. Trench coats never go out of style, so I'm really excited to style this one. And lastly, this one I was really excited about. I picked up a vintage Lakers championship t-shirt.
Something I've been dreaming about.
It's extra large, and I really like oversized t-shirts these days, just to pair with like a pair of denim or just tights underneath or anything. It gives it like a nice feel, even to wear as a dress. I love it. It's so perfect, and I love that like worn out look to it. And you know I'm about to go to the Laker game and wear that vintage t-shirt every single time. Moving on to beauty favorites, I found a new moisturizer. It is the Rise and Shine Pharmacy Daily Moisturizer Lock. I've been honestly on the hunt for a moisturizer because usually we use like Aveeno or Nivea, but I wanted a thinner consistency, and this is exactly what I was looking for. I got it from Sephora. It's great to use in the morning, and I believe it has green envy. That's just some like bougie words.
Yeah, I know.
Alizeh is like the easiest person to persuade. Like, you can tell if you just show her like solid packaging, she'll be sold.
I love the packaging. Like, look
how cute. I knew it's probably not even like that great, but like the packaging is so amazing on it that she.
No, okay, you used it too.
Yeah, I used it. Yes.
I like how light it is because Aveeno's really thick, and so is Nivea. Like the drugstore ones are pretty thick for me.
But you don't have dry skin.
No, so that's why it's perfect. Yeah. So other than the packaging, it works well with my skin. And then the second thing, I'm really late to the game, but this Witch Hazel toner, like, yes. I got the cucumber one because, what's the other?
She likes to feel like it's a spa every time she puts it on.
The rose water feeling, I just feel too holy. It freaks me out. But this is
don't you want to drink it? Cause like cucumber water, it makes me feel like
water. Well, like no, it doesn't. But yes, I try to use this every night, and wow, guys, the amount of like just dirt, like foundation, just residue that comes off after washing my face. I'm just like, wow, clearly my face wash isn't working, but that's why there's toner. And Witch Hazel aloe vera formula, Thayer's, it is by the name of Thayer's, I believe. Yeah, get on it.
All right, guys, so my first beauty favorite is this Real Techniques buffing brush that I've had for a few years now, but I never used it as a foundation brush. I always used it as like a bronzing brush, or I don't know what brush. It was just always sitting there. But recently, I followed Desi Perkins, or I think it was Luster Lux, one of those two. They said they use this as a foundation brush, and wow, like it's amazing. It does such a good and like smooth job of like applying your foundation, and it doesn't leave lines. Usually I use the e.l.f. one, like an e.l.f. stipple brush, but this is life-changing, so I've definitely been hooked on this. And yeah, it comes in a package with a few other brushes, but I'm sure you could get this separately at like Ulta or Target or your local drugstore. Use the code Laila for 20% soon. Secondly, obviously I really love this because it's almost near finished, is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Honestly, this is a very bougie version, and I had a gift card, so I used it. You definitely don't need this. You can just buy rose water spray yourself. But I love the refreshing feel that it has. I usually use it as a setting spray sometimes, or just like when I feel like my face is really dehydrated, I'll just spray some on, and it feels really refreshing. And I never thought I'd need it, but I actually use it quite often. And lastly, Fenty Beauty. You guys know that I'm like super obsessed with Fenty Beauty. I have been since I bought that foundation, but I recently bought the uncensored red lipstick, and it is literally the perfect red lipstick for any skin tone. Mine, Alizeh's, even though we look like we're a similar skin tone, we're not. But it looks bomb on her. It looks bomb on everyone, and it just, it makes you feel so like confident. Like you just want to do this. Anyways, I'm obsessed with it, and it applies really well.
Okay, last but not least category is La Music. So I had 3 music favorites. One, shout out to my boys Majid Jordan. We're going to their concert tomorrow, so I have to give them a shout out for their new album, Space Between. My favorite song is You. My second music favorite has been, they're called All the Stars by SZA and Kendrick. I really love that song. Like, it's supposed to, I'm so excited for Black Panther. I don't know about you guys, but that's where the song is gonna be, right? That's where it, like, I think, yeah. Okay, it's such a good song. I really like it. Maybe the night the motives might let me know. All the stars are close, all the stars are close. I'm not really into MIGOS, but their album, I didn't listen to all of it, but a couple songs here and there. But my first favorite song on there was Notice Me with Post Malone. It's a really like lull, chill song, and you know I'm all about the chill vibes, so yes, those are my music favorites. Okay, so Ty Dolla Sign came out with his album, right? And it was amazing. A lot of the samples he used were from older songs. So Only You, 112 with Bad Boy, amazing. Like I keep listening to it on repeat. And the Ty Dolla Sign song that he used that sample for was X with YG. That was also a really good song. That was a good album. Yeah, that was a really good album. And Uchis, okay, I don't know if I'm saying her name right. This girl has such a good voice. She has the song called Tyrant with JORJA Smith. She's on a feature with Miguel on Carmelo Duro, which is also a really good song. So I've been dipping into Alizeh's like vibey chill scene. All around we go, your loving is like a kaleidoscope. I don't wanna come down. And yeah, that wraps up our January favorites. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below what you guys want to see from us. And don't forget the basics to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye guys!